Hi, this is Dan and welcome to Habit Made. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a macrame bouquet wrap. Last week, someone gifted me with a beautiful bouquet and I thought of making a 3-part video on how to make a bouquet wrap and also how to design a macrame jar. I hope that you would enjoy this video, so let's get started.
For this project, I'm going to use 4mm cotton cord. You could buy a rope at rightrope.com and use our code HABITMADE5 to get 5% discount. The first thing that you have to do is to measure the circumference of your bouquet. For my bouquet, I have 6.5 inches for the circumference. And then what I just did is to fold it in half and tie this side so it's easier to make a wrap. Then I'm gonna insert first 6 cords with 3 feet length each or 92 centimeters. Once we're done making 6 lark's head knot, we'll now work in groupings of 4 cords. Okay, so you have your 4 cords here, and then get your 2 middle cords. Okay. So what we're gonna do is start from here. So get this second cord from the right and we'll use this as our lead cord. Okay, and start making double half hitch going to the left. Watch this video to have a detailed guide on how to make double half hitch knot. Then get this cord in the middle and we'll use this as our lead cord. So we're making double half hitch. And then the next thing that you have to do is to hold your lead cord going to the left and continue making double half hitch. So imagine this is the lower part of our circle. And then same thing onto the left side. You have to hold your lead cord going to the right. And then we're just gonna connect the two. Okay, so we'll do the same thing onto this side. So hold your middle cords and then get the second cord from the right and use this as your lead cord. Then continue making double half hitch. Then get this second cord. Okay. Then make double half hitch. Alright, and then this second cord. Hold this going to your right. Then continue making double half hitch. And then we're gonna work on the lower part. Okay, now done making 2 circles. Now we are working on our third. So we'll do the same process. So 3 cords is not yet enough for my 6.5 inches. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 4 more cords with the same length, 3 feet or 92 centimeters. So it's actually up to you guys to determine how many circles you would need to create depending on the circumference of your bouquet. I just started with 6 cords just to have a base and show you that you could definitely add more cords depending on the project that you're working on. Okay, so same process again. We'll work in groupings of 4 cords. Then I'm gonna add another 4 cords on this side. Okay. So I added another 2 cords with 3 feet length each. And in total, I have created 8 circles. So this is how it would look like when we already connect this. So the next thing that we have to do is to work in between and make another circles. So we're also gonna work in groupings of 4 cords. Okay, same process again. We'll use the second cord on your right as your lead cord. You have to hold it going to your left. And another one. As you've noticed when making double half hitch, on your left side, we're actually working with 2 cords because the first 2 cords is essential for us to connect the gap between the left and the right side. Okay, we have to make another circle on this side. So this circle, we're gonna connect these 2 sides. Okay, so get these 2 cords from your left and right. Okay, and create another circle. Now I'm just gonna add this design at the bottom. So basically it's the same process as what we did in the circle, but this time I'm not gonna do the lower part. Once done, we're gonna complete this macrame bouquet wrap by adding barrel knot. Okay. So I'm just gonna do small barrel knot. Okay, so to do this, flip this over, wrap this around 2 times, and then pull it tight. So we're gonna do this on all our cords. So I'm just making this uneven or in the different layers. Then I'm gonna cut the excess cords. Now time to put this on our bouquet. Okay, so the good thing about this design is we could adjust or stretch this out first in order for us to easily put this on our bouquet.
If you find this video helpful, please share it with me by using the hashtag HabitMade and tagging me on my social media accounts. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you on my next video.